uTsegofatso Pule noyineminyaka engama-28 watholwa elenga esihlahleni isidumbu sakhe sinamanxeba okugwazwa. Umndeni uthi leli cala livuse amanxeba.
It's like opening up the old wound that was beginning to heal, and again we have to go through the journey, and which is not a pleasant one. It's traumatic. And it's draining psychologically and emotionally.
Isoka likamufi uNtuthuko Shoba lakhalelwa amasongo kaSigonyela ngesonto eledlule eFlorida. Umzika yise Malephane nowayeqashwe ukuba abulale uPule waphenduka ufakazi wombuso ngemva kokugwetshwa iminyaka engama-20 ebhadla ejele enkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli ngolwesihlanu oledlule. Watshela enkantolo ukuthi uShoba wamkhokhela R70,000 zamarandi ukuze abulale uPule njengoba engafuni kutholakale ukuthi ukhulelwe.
We had our suspicions that he might have something to do with the disappearance of Tsegofatso. Later on, when Tsego was discovered dead, we still had our suspicion that there could be something that he knows. But all those suspicions were confirmed on Friday last week.
uShoba uthweswe icala lokubulala uPule nengane yakhe eyayingakabelethwa. Umbuso uhlela ukuphikisana nesicelo sebhayili nesizolalelwa ngomhla lu-1 kuNdasa.